Hello, my manufacturing peers. Welcome back to the channel, More CNC. Today I want to start the collaborative journey of making serrated dovetail vice jaws. The reason for making this video, or for wanting to make these serrated jaws, is the fact that we use serrated jaws on a daily basis, but they're only available for a 6-inch vise, and we use mostly 8-inch vices for bigger workpieces and more clamping force. So, but I realize that also, 6-inch vices are more common than 8-inch vices, so I wanted something to be compatible with both the 6 and 8-inch vise, so that's why these jaws will be able to swap out. The only problem is they're going to be a little thicker, designed for a 8-inch vise, so you're gonna lose a little bit of your jaw opening because the jaws are a lot thicker than your standard 6-inch vices jaws. So I just quickly kind of modeling the dimensions off of the 8-inch vice jaws, just normal hard jaws, and then I'm also gonna include holes for like a standard 6-inch vise. Like I went off the dimensions on Tico Tool Holdings website and also Kurt's website. I don't know why, but the numbers are a little different. For the 8-inch vise, they were the same, but for the 6-inch vise, they were a little different. Anyways, for this project, I'm hoping to get a lot of feedback from the 3 or 4 machinist groups that I'm on Facebook, as well as like the YouTube community. Because I want to like develop a product, and I've always wanted to have a product. We do mostly service work, so we'll see a part for a few weeks, and then usually we never get to see it again. So all the thought and whatever we put into programming and making something, we kind of lose, but we do gain experience with working with different materials on a daily basis and stuff like that. But I kind of want to get something that we could just sell regularly. I don't know. I want to make these very well, so I don't know how competitive we can be with the price off the bat. For instance, I want to make these with a good quality tool steel like A2, so they have a lot of wear resistance and stuff like that. I also want to grind them accurately, and I'm sure we'll develop a process and maybe change the material or something down the road. But right now I just want to make like 10 of these sets and just maybe send some to some people and sell a few of them, and just get any feedback we can as far as dimensions or geometry. So any feedback from you guys would be greatly appreciated, and that's why I kind of want to make this a collaborative effort. And I'm kind of gonna post videos like on a weekly basis of the progress with these, and I'm also putting a lot more thought into the channel this year, so this won't, I'll be making other videos too in the meantime, but I just want to show you guys the whole process of designing something, ordering the material, trying to develop a process of making these the best way, cheapest way, and of course like accurately. So any feedback and stuff would be greatly appreciated. Don't worry about hurt my feelings, any criticisms or whatever. Just kind of go easy on me. I'm kind of sensitive. I'm just kidding. But anyways, so here's just me drawing the part, and that's the first step, is just coming up with a design. And we use SolidWorks, and it's like got its goods and bads, but SolidWorks is constraint based. I learned to draw in AutoCAD, and that was kind of I don't know what you call it, non-constraint, but it was fixed, meaning I don't know what term I'm supposed to use, but when you drew something, that's what it was. You can't really modify it as easily. In SolidWorks, you could change one thing and it updates your whole assembly. Maybe AutoCAD's different now, I don't know. But so you gotta kind of be careful to make sure everything's very defined, because if you just draw something and it's blue, not gray, that means that it's unconstrained and it could be easily changed. So, but it also is very powerful because you could draw something and then you get this finished product and it's in an assembly, and you scratch your head, said, oh, this would be better if I change this dimension, and then it doesn't crash your whole thing. You don't have to start over because you could just change it and it'll update. So that's what we're doing here, and I already made some mistakes and stuff, so you know, we could change it as we go. So yeah, I'm excited. I got kind of a basic design here, and we're ready to order stock. So this should be a lot of fun. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.